This is ANN News Brief.
Nigeria Center for Disease Control, NCDC, has reported the country's first coronavirus death in a 67-year-old man who returned to the country following a medical procedure in the UK. NCDC said the victim, Suleiman Achimungo, former managing director of the Pipelines and Products Marketing Company at NNPC, had underlying medical conditions and was undergoing chemotherapy. As cases are being monitored and reported, the Nigerian Center for Disease Control has issued a warning about fake news circulation on social media. Meanwhile, a 30-year-old man has become the first person to die of COVID-19 in Zimbabwe. State-owned media tweeted that a journalist and filmmaker, Zororo Makamba, was diagnosed with the virus on Saturday. He had visited the U.S. late last month and had returned to Zimbabwe via South Africa. Tunisia says it is allocating $850 million to combat the economic and social effects of the coronavirus health crisis. Prime Minister Elis Fakfak said on Saturday, among new measures, the government will delay tax debt, provide financial assistance to poor families, postpone taxes on small and medium-sized businesses, and delay repayment of low-income employee loans. The country has confirmed 30 cases of the disease. Tunisia's president ordered a general lockdown on Friday, limiting citizens' free movement in an effort to curb the spread of the coronavirus. We'll be right back.
Whether in your house, at your office, on your phone or online, we are there. We have the facts behind the headlines. We cut to the chase with the news you really need. We cover every angle. We are the bigger, better news network. We are African News Network. ANN. Watch ANN News on MITV from a truly African spirit.
Ghana has confirmed 3 new cases of coronavirus on Sunday, bringing to 24 the total number of confirmed COVID-19 infections in the country. The patients include 17 Ghanaians and foreign nationals from Norway, China, France, and the UK. Authorities said they are in isolation and are receiving treatment. On Saturday, the country recorded its first death. He was a Lebanese patient who had an underlying health condition. President Nana Akufo-Addo announced on Saturday the health ministry would mobilize new and retired health workers to help combat the disease. He also announced all borders are being shut. Meanwhile, South Africa's health minister Zweli Makwise said on Monday the number of confirmed coronavirus cases had risen to 402, a jump of 128 from Sunday. Public health experts are concerned about the country's readiness to deal with this scourge. That is ANN News Brief at 4. Join us again at 5 for our full newscast. For details on these and other breaking stories, visit our website, annafrica.news. Conversation continues on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at ANN Africa TV. I'm Lucy Ademi.